In every construction zone and industrial workspace, there's a force at play, an essential trio of techniques that power productivity and build the foundation of infrastructure: welding, cutting, and brazing. These processes aren't just sparks and flames, they are the backbone of manufacturing, fabrication, and metalwork industries. Yet, despite their importance, they also present significant risks. That's why OSHA Education School brings you a course built not just on theory, but on real-world safety, hands-on practicality, and smarter ways to work. Each year, more than 500,000 professionals across the U.S. engage in hot work tasks like welding and cutting. Unfortunately, many of them do so without the right knowledge to protect themselves from harm. Burns, fires, explosions, toxic fumes. These aren't just possibilities, they are preventable outcomes of neglect or oversight. Our welding, cutting, and brazing awareness training is here to ensure you're never left unprepared. So what will you gain from this course? You'll begin by understanding the fundamentals: how welding differs from cutting and brazing, what gases and materials are used, and how each process serves a unique purpose in different industries. Then we dig deeper. Because with knowledge comes responsibility. You'll learn to identify job-specific hazards. Whether it's combustible materials nearby, poor ventilation, or incorrect gas pressure, this training prepares you to spot and fix the dangers before they become incidents. Equipment plays a critical role in safe operation. That's why we emphasize the importance of regular inspection and maintenance of torches, hoses, regulators, and cylinders. We also cover safe cylinder storage, proper handling of compressed gases, and fire watch responsibilities. Each module is structured to ensure you gain actionable skills you can bring to the job immediately. Fire prevention is another major highlight of this course. You'll gain insight into fire-resistant shields, ventilation controls, and how to keep flammable materials at bay. You'll also get hands-on guidance on how to respond in case of a fire, how to react quickly, calmly, and with the correct procedures in place. Because preparation isn't just about avoiding accidents, it's about knowing exactly what to do when something goes wrong. At OSHA Education School, we believe safety and skill go hand in hand. This awareness-level course is perfect for new workers, site supervisors, and even seasoned welders looking to refresh their knowledge. With our expert-designed curriculum, easy-to-follow modules, and flexible online format, you get to learn at your own pace without compromising on depth. So whether you're working in a shipyard, on a bridge, or in a fabrication shop, make sure safety is never compromised. Click the link in description below and enroll today in our welding, cutting, and brazing awareness course.